Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Hope everyone was doing great. In this video, I'm going to share you 5 investing tips. These 5 investing tips are very important if you're in the age 20s because this is the age where you started earning. So taking a financial decisions in 20s, in early 20s is it's very important. So before going into the video, if you're watching me for the first time or you are visiting our channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe our channel and like this video. And coming to the video, the first point is you have to save emergency fund. Emergency fund is nothing but, for example, your monthly needs are 20,000. So you should save 20 into 6. 6 in the sense 6 months. So 20 into 6 like around 1,20,000. You should have emergency fund of 1,20,000 if your monthly expense is 20,000, because this emergency fund will help you if you're doing a private job. You may lost a job, and to find a new job it may take around 3 to 6 months. So at that time this emergency fund will be useful for you. Next, second point is taking health insurance is very important. See, nowadays the hospitals are charging more and more. After this COVID, the price are increased more. So if you're having health insurance in your early age, the premium amount will be also less. Health insurance is very important nowadays because of these health conditions. And third one is like a life insurance. Taking life insurance as much early as possible is very good idea, because the premium will be very less if you're in a young age. Before starting your investments, you should have emergency fund, life insurance, and health insurance. These three are mandatory for you before investing. And coming to the next fourth point is like decide where you want to invest, like or a PPF or any government schemes or stock market or mutual funds. But here I recommend, if you had a guts to take a more risk, I'll recommend to invest in equity mutual funds and stock market. See, because if you're taking more risk, you'll get a more reward. It totally depends on the market. I'm not sure that you will get a good profits in there. It's totally depend on the market. But if you're taking a more risk, it's possible, maybe it's possible to get a good profits. So before investing, take your financial advisor decision, and don't trust anyone or don't see the YouTube channels and start investing. Just I'm giving a suggestion to you in this video. And fifth point is start setting your goals. See, because people will think about a long-term investment and long-term savings, you should have a short-term goals also, like maybe for next 5, 10 years or 15 years. You should have short-term goals in investing. And the sixth point is like, let's understand about compounding in the 6 points, compounding interest. See, for an example, for every month you are investing 10,000 per month, and for example you are investing in an mutual funds, on average you will get around 12%, and this is for 10 years. This means your investment total will be at 12 lakhs, and approximately you will get a return, I mean interest, in 11 lakhs. See, here your money is double. See, and next, listen this carefully. If you're investing in same way as 10,000 with a 12% interest for 20 years, then you will get a return, like estimated return will be around 75 lakhs. See, here you're getting a 3 times of your investment. See, first in 10 years your money is doubling, and for other 10 years your money is becoming like a 3 times into your investment. So compounding is very important when you're investing. So please focus on long term goals. Please be consistent. And here come to our last point, which is linked to this, that is a consistency. See, some people will start investing, after a couple of years they'll start withdrawing it after they're getting some profits, or else if they're getting some loss, they'll think like all the money which they invested may get lost, so they start withdrawing everything. Don't do like that. Consistently every month or every quarterly start the investing, and that should be a long term goal. Then you'll get a good amount of return. For short term goals, please don't invest in these mutual funds and stock market, because in long term they may perform good. In short term period it won't perform good. So if you're in 20s, don't forget to follow all these investing tips. These are very helpful to you. And that's it for today's video. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.